Good morning everyone. Today's our topic is real number which falls on the number system in the mathematics. This is chapter 1. Okay, but this is a revision for many students and those who have joined recently or installed recently app, for them it's new. Okay, so this number system we did in class 9 also. Few basic terms, definitions, they are very important. And first I want to recall those points what we did. Okay, so first, real number have been divided into two groups. Okay, rational, RATIONAL, rational number and irrational number. You know this. And this rational number, what is the definition of the rational number? You did, I know. Rational numbers are the numbers which can be expressed as P by Q form or A by B form, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational number. Okay, rational number means the number of the form A by B, I am writing here, where B is not equals to 0. This is the definition of the rational number. Same way irrational number, just negative of this, it means that the number which cannot be written in the form which cannot be written in the form A by B, where B is not equals to 0. Okay, the number which cannot be written as P by Q form, where written as P by Q form written in the form of A by B, where B is not equals to 0, are irrational number. Okay, rational number, the number of the form or the number which can be expressed as A by B form, are called rational number. And irrational number means the number which cannot be written or expressed as A by B form. You can write P by Q also. Here B is not equal to 0 because denominator cannot be 0, because if denominator will come 0, then the number will become undefined. You know that. Okay, now example. Okay, in example means those basic terms you did in class 9. Natural number, just I am writing by symbol, natural number, whole number, prime number. Okay, so even number, odd number, composite number. Okay, and terminating, decimal, and non-terminating, repeating is also rational number. Just recall it. Irrational number means, example, √2, √3, and pi also, because decimal expansion of pi is non-terminating, non-repeating. Okay, so the irrational number, the decimal form of the irrational numbers are non-terminating, non-repeating. Got it? So all these are irrational number. You did this. Yes. Okay. Now again, decimal expansion. Right. Try to write it. So now I am writing another part. That is how we can write the definition and types of the decimal representation of rational number. Decimal is of two types. This also you write. This is terminating decimal, and this is non-terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. Okay. So all terminating decimals are rational number. Terminating means after points the decimal expansion has certain end, comes to end, right? Like 1.5, 3.2, 7.8 or 0.059, this, okay, because after point it has certain end. So non-terminating means the decimal expansion which after point which goes continuously. Okay, so but non-terminating is also divided into two parts. One is non-terminating repeating, and another is non-terminating non-repeating. Okay, so these are also very important terms that you have to know. Just you try to recall it. So repeating means, example, like 1.353535 ... Non-terminating, but 353535 are repeating number. We can write this as 1.35. The repeating, this bar we can write. Okay, so this is non-terminating non-repeating, like 1.02, 002, 000, 402, ... Now see here, the digits after decimal is not repeat. 2 is there, but this is not repeating. Okay, and another example, 1.732068217039 . So all are non-terminating non-repeating, but here it is non-terminating repeating. So see, non-terminating repeating also can be written as P by Q form. So repeating, non-terminating repeating is also rational. Okay, and non-terminating non-repeating you cannot express as a P by Q form. So this is irrational. Okay, so it means terminating, all terminating decimals are rational. Non-terminating repeating decimal are also rational, but non-terminating non-repeating are irrational. Okay, now we will discuss now few new terms. Okay, so